Hello everyone, welcome to Richard Language. Today's topic is Master Chinese Verbs. And today we are going to talk about the word 坐, 坐, which means sit. 坐, 坐. Okay, right now, let's learn how to write this word with strokes. Okay, the first meaning of the word 坐 is to sit. For example, 坐下, 坐下. 坐 means sit, of course, and 下 means down. So 坐下 means to sit down or be seated. Okay, next one, 坐好. 坐好. 坐 means sit. 好 means nice or good. And here, 好 means properly. It means like you order someone to sit properly. 坐好. 坐好. Okay, the second meaning of the word 坐 is to take a vehicle such as a bus, an airplane, a train, or even subway. We can use the word 坐, means take. Even you can take an elevator, and you can also use the word 坐. For example, 坐车. 坐车. Take a car. 坐车. Okay, the second one. 坐飞机. 坐飞机. 飞机 means airplane. 飞机. 飞机. 坐飞机. Okay, the last one. 坐电梯. 坐电梯. 电梯 means elevator. 电梯. 电梯. 坐电梯. Take an elevator. 坐电梯. Okay, there are still other usages about the word 坐. For example, 坐牢. 坐牢 is like sit in the jail or be in jail. 坐牢. 牢 means jail. 牢. 坐牢. Okay, 坐月子. 坐月子. Okay, it is a kind of ceremony or some health care for Chinese people when after the woman delivered the baby, they have to do something like this. It's like take postpartum care. 坐月子. 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 Okay, the last one. 打坐. 打坐. Okay, 打坐 means to sit in meditation. 打坐. 打坐. Okay, it's like a monk and you sit in meditation or you meditate. It means 打坐. 打坐. Okay, that's all for today's Chinese verb 坐. And if you like my channel, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. See you next time. 再见.